equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into a common issue faced by Dell XPS users, the EC short circuit problem. This can lead to various performance issues, and we'll guide you through diagnosing it step by step. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. Begin by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover using the Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep track of the screws, as they can be quite small. Once the back cover is off, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris, especially around the motherboard and fan areas. This is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Now, let's locate the EC chip on the motherboard. It's typically near the battery connector. Inspect it for any visible damage or burnt marks. If you notice anything unusual, this could indicate a short circuit. At this point, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify the issue without any pressure to proceed with repairs. If you're comfortable continuing, check the surrounding capacitors and resistors for any signs of damage. Use a multimeter to test for continuity. If you find any components that are faulty, they will need to be replaced. Before proceeding with any repairs, it's wise to get a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. If you're unsure about handling the repairs yourself, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about calls or travel. We'll take care of everything for you. Once you've identified the faulty components, it's time to replace them. Carefully desolder the damaged parts and solder in the new ones, ensuring a solid connection. If you're not experienced with soldering, it's best to leave this to the professionals. After replacing the components, reassemble your laptop by reversing the steps we took to open it. Make sure all screws are tightened properly and the back cover is securely in place. Finally, power on your laptop and check if the issue has been resolved. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully diagnosed and repaired your Dell XPS. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional services. Remember, we are here to help with no obligation, and we can arrange pickup and delivery at your convenience. That wraps up our tutorial on diagnosing the EC short circuit issue in Dell XPS laptops. Stay tuned for more technical guides. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.